Hi everyone, I'm here at Jumeirah Islands. This is our new project. It's a villa with the Islamic architecture, and we need to upgrade the entire villa, and we need to extend the villa as well, adding another bedroom. So let's go have a look at the existing condition of the house. So this is the entry. We've got the living area space which we need to extend. So we will have a much bigger living area on this side. Here we will have a dining setup, and then this all has to be demolished, and we will be making a kitchen on this side. Let's walk outside to see the landscape area. So this is the existing landscape area. The swimming pool needs to be extended. So we're going to redesign all of this area inshallah, and we're going to make a nice swimming pool with a jacuzzi. So this area has to be extended. All of this area has to be added to the majlis, and on top we will have a balcony which will be shared between the two bedrooms. So this is the rear elevation of the house. As you can see, again, this is the old theme. We will need to remove all of these architectural artifacts, and then we will be changing this to a modern look, something like a modern house, all painted in white with large glass windows.